Learning guitar the traditional way can feel pretty overwhelming, especially if pressing down on strings is a struggle or memorizing chords feels like a puzzle. A bunch of companies have tried to tackle this, finding ways to keep everything we love about guitars while giving them a modern, tech-driven twist. Well, this company right here thinks they've cracked the code, offering a super user-friendly experience that tackles those challenges head-on. This is the AeroBand guitar. In the fast-moving world of music tech, the AeroBand guitar stands out as a seriously cool and innovative instrument. Unlike traditional guitars, it ditches the strings and uses advanced sensors to mimic the feel of playing. Designed with the modern musician in mind, it effortlessly connects to your phone, and its companion app is loaded with features to help you learn, practice, and create music like a pro. Now that sounds great and all, but with a price tag just shy of $400, it's definitely not a cheap investment. The real question is, do its tech features and added portability make it worth the price? So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Unboxing the AeroBand guitar is definitely a premium experience. Everything is packaged and presented really well. Inside the box, you'll find a few essentials like a USB-C charging cable, a Type-A adapter, and a nice set of guitar picks, which is a cool little bonus. Now let's first take a look at the guitar itself for a second, because I will admit when I first saw this I was very impressed. A cool thing about this unit is that it's got a removable neck. It's really good for portability and storing it in a large backpack. It is just simply something you don't get from a traditional guitar. It has this super clean futuristic vibe that stands out from traditional guitars. The body is sleek, minimalistic, and just looks like something out of a tech enthusiast's dream. It's not cluttered or flashy, just smooth curves and modern lines that make it look like it could be a gadget straight out of the future. The materials used feel solid too. The body has a nice weight to it, but it's still light enough to carry around without feeling bulky. I will say it doesn't feel like a cheap plastic toy. It's solid and well built. If you're always on the go or enjoy practicing in different places, this guitar is perfect for that. The controls on the unit are pretty simple but definitely get the job done, keeping that sleek, modern vibe. On the front, you've got a few key buttons that make it easy to access the basics. There's the power button to turn it on and off, a volume control to adjust the sound, and a couple of buttons for switching between sound modes and effects. They're all well placed, easy to reach while you're playing, but not so close to your hands that they get in the way. The soft silicone strings are another major win. They're super comfortable, making it so much easier to practice for longer stretches. It's clear that the design is meant to reduce finger pain, which is a common issue with traditional guitar strings. If you've ever had sore fingers after a long practice session, you'll definitely appreciate this feature. That being said, I totally get why some people might feel mixed about it. The silicone strings can feel a bit weird if you're used to the real thing. They don't have the same resistance or responsiveness as traditional strings, so it might take a little getting used to, especially for more experienced players. For die-hard guitar enthusiasts, that could be a bit of a turn-off. But honestly, for beginners or anyone new to playing, the design is super user-friendly and actually makes learning a lot easier. At the end of the day, I think the design is really cool and functional. For anyone just starting out or looking for a more comfortable portable option, it's definitely a solid choice compared to what else is out there right now. To get started, you'll need to sync the guitar to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth. The AeroBand guitar depends on its companion app for tuning, sound effects, and practice lessons, so it's definitely worth having your device connected to take full advantage of everything it offers. You can use it without the app, but honestly, that kind of defeats the purpose of having all these smart features in the first place. What's great, especially for beginners, is that the app gives you feedback so you can tell if you're hitting the right notes and chords. It's just a much easier and more intuitive way to learn and get better with the guitar. When it comes to playing chords, you've got two great options. You can follow the visual cues in the app, which will guide you on exactly where to place your fingers on the fretboard, making it super beginner friendly. Or if you're already familiar with standard guitar shapes, you can use the finger placements you'd normally use on a traditional guitar. Either way, the app's got you covered with real-time feedback, so you'll know exactly when you've hit the right notes and chords. You really do get to learn at your own pace with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. It's like having a personal guitar coach without the pressure. Strumming on the AeroBand feels just like strumming on a traditional guitar. You can use a pick or just go with your fingers. It's totally up to you. What's cool is that the sound of your strum will change based on the settings you choose in the app. The guitar's sensors can actually pick up how hard or soft you're strumming too. The best thing by far is the customization options you get through the app. You can mix and match tones, effects, and even add drum loops to spice up your play. Whether you're craving that classic rock vibe, feeling a bit experimental, or just want a simple clean tone, the app lets you explore it all. It's a perfect way to experiment with sound and make each session totally your own. By far the thing that will make this guitar a hotspot for beginners is the app's step-by-step lessons that walk you through everything from basic chords to more advanced techniques. With real-time feedback, you'll always know when you've nailed a note or chord, or when you need to tweak things a bit. For beginners, it's a great way to build your skills at your own pace, and for more experienced players, it's awesome for fine-tuning your technique or learning new songs. And since the guitar connects to the app via Bluetooth, the sound goes straight to your headphones. So, you can practice without bothering anyone else in the house, definitely a nice bonus. Since the AeroBand doubles as a MIDI controller, you can easily connect it to your computer via a single wire. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating music in a studio-like setup. Whether you're recording guitar parts or triggering other instruments like drums or synths. If you're into music production, this feature is a game changer, offering tons of creative ways to expand your sound. There are a few audio workstations that work with this guy, and I have to admit, this is where the device really starts to shine for enthusiasts. While its design definitely caters to beginners, the ability to use it as a MIDI controller opens up so much potential for anyone looking to create their own music. You can practice in complete silence, record your tracks, and then edit everything exactly how you want. It's just a fantastic way to really take full advantage of what this device has to offer, especially for those who want to dive into music production. When it comes to battery life, the AeroBand is surprisingly efficient actually. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and you'll charge it with the included USB-C cable. The charging process is quick, usually taking around 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. Once it's juiced up, you can expect several hours of playtime, depending on how much you're using features like Bluetooth or the built-in speakers. If you're just practicing with headphones, the battery can last even longer. Alright, let's wrap this up. Is the AeroBand guitar worth buying? Honestly, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're someone who's curious about trying something new and techy, or you're a beginner wanting a more interactive way to learn guitar, this thing is pretty solid. It's lightweight, portable, and super comfortable to play, especially with those silicone strings. Plus, the companion app is actually pretty fun and useful, helping you track your progress and learn at your own pace. The sound quality through the onboard speaker is decent, though it's not quite going to replace the deep, rich tones of a traditional guitar, especially if you're a hardcore guitar purist. But honestly, for the price, it's a great option if you're just jamming out or experimenting with music on your own. Now, the lack of real strings might be a deal breaker for some people, especially if you're someone who loves the tactile feel of a traditional guitar. It might also take a bit of time to get used to the whole app and Bluetooth setup, especially if you're someone who prefers the simplicity of just picking up a regular guitar and playing. The price tag is also something to consider too. At just under $400, it's not cheap. Having said that though, for what it is, it's a pretty fun and unique instrument that could serve a lot of people well, especially beginners or those wanting to mess around with something new. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.